Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to play Pokemon Go using the joystick. This is hack. You're gonna go to the Play Store first and write here fake GPS. Fake GP. Oh shit. GPS. Don't install this, the first one. You're gonna scroll down and get this. I already have it, but when you install it, you gotta go enter. You search for where you, any place you want. I need now uh, New York. Here we go. If I want, if I want Washington, search and enter. Here we go. But I need now New York. New York. Okay. Here I am now. I'm in the New York. In New York. I can press anywhere I need. I need now in the center. So I place start. Okay. The joystick will be on the screen. I get this small box up, press it and move it anywhere. Then I enter Pokemon Go. Oh shit. Okay, it will be run. It's loading. Oh my god. Sorry.